How to renew your domain on Hostinger. Welcome to this tutorial on how to renew your domain on Hostinger. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to extend the life of your domain and keep your online presence up and running. To start, log in to your Hostinger account and navigate to the domain section. From there, click on the domain you want to renew. You'll see the renewal details, including the expiration date and the current price. To renew your domain, simply click the Renew button. You can choose to renew for a single year or for multiple years, depending on your preference. Make sure to select the correct payment method and enter your payment details. Once you've completed the renewal process, you'll receive an email confirmation from Hostinger. This email will contain the renewal details, including the new expiration date and any other relevant information. Renewing your domain on Hostinger is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your domain remains active and continues to serve as a vital part of your online presence. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on web hosting and online management.